Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on a view into Huck's World, and today I got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. I gotta give thanks to Jackie for the heads up on this free watch face. Now, it was free when I downloaded it. I don't know if it's gonna be free through the weekend, but check this out anyway. And if it's still free, hit me in the comment section down below so I can alert other people that this is a nice, free, awesome watch face for a dress down casual wear. Now, the name of the watch face is called AWF Speed. It's a customizable watch face. I thought it was nice so far as stacked digital time, and it's going to give you your fitness information as well. Now, in AOD mode, I really like the look it is. It's in a black and white thing, but it looks awesome. Once the watch face is on, you're going to get a nice floating second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch. Nice stacked digital time. You're going to get your battery info down at the bottom, as well as your heart rate, and of course your steps, your date down at the bottom as well. And the watch face is inactive, so if I tap here, I can't get my step status. Same thing for my heart rate and my battery info if you need to get into your battery. And that's not bad at all. I thought this was a good look for a simple digital watch face for every day. And if you want to set a favor, you got 4 places in which you can do so. Just tap on the dots on both sides. You get 2 on each. And just tap on it and customize the watch face at your favorite application. Make the watch face just that much more convenient, which I thought was really cool. Now, if I double tap on the 0, I can customize the color of the time. I thought that was pretty awesome. Same thing. If I double tap on the 7, I can customize the color of the minutes as well. I thought the developer did a really good job on this watch face, but it doesn't stop there. If I double tap at the top, I can customize the floating second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. You just got to keep tapping to the color changes because it goes through so many different shades. It takes you a minute to get through. I thought that was pretty cool. And if I double tap down at the bottom, I can customize the little icons right there. I thought the developer did a good job. Not bad at all, but the question is, at the end of the day, what did you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys are having the greatest weekend ever. Jackie, thanks again for the heads up on this awesome watch face by this developer. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, enjoy, people. Have fun, be safe, and I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.